Hey, what's up everybody? I wanted to show you this table that I bought on Amazon. I just bought this pontoon boat. The table that came with the boat was like in a million pieces. It was all broken, so I tossed that out. Bought this assembly, and it came with the base, the pole, the table. It wasn't a whole lot of money, and I put a link in the description of the video over the table, and I'll show you what this thing's all about. So what I did is I unscrewed my old base, and it came with this one. It's plastic, and the pole is metal right there. And it's a rectangular tabletop. It's a pretty good size. It has full holders for your drinks and stuff like that. It took me all of about 5 minutes to put this thing together and zap it in with my drill. And it's pretty sturdy. It works pretty good for what we need it for. We've eaten pizza on it with like 4 of us, so it does the job, and it's a good size. And you know, for what we paid for it, it seems pretty decent. It's not, you know, crazy good quality, but it's good enough that it's perfect for the boat. So if you're interested in picking one of these up, I'll put a description in the a link in the description of the video so you guys can check it out on Amazon. I bought it on Amazon, and yeah, this top here is plastic, so you can clean it up pretty easy, and it's not too bad. So if you guys have any questions about this table, drop a comment. I'll reply back to you, and if it broke, I'd buy another one. It wasn't that much money, and it serves the purpose on a boat. Thanks for watching us, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take it easy.